Hello Trisha, I am Lucy, your interviewer today. Let's start the interview. Can you please introduce yourself and share a bit about your experience in sales and marketing?
Thank you, Lucy, for interviewing me today. My name is Trisha De. I'm pursuing my BBA from Andhra University International School of Business. I'm currently in my third year of BBA, and my specialization is marketing. And I have a great passion and interest in pursuing career in marketing, and also very keen about all the aspects of marketing. And coming to my experiences, I had worked as an intern in ITC as a sales trainee, wherein I have also compared the prices and packaging of different goods of ITC and also the competitors of ITC, and also analyzed and made reports about it in my previous internships. And also I have worked as a digital marketing intern in various companies like Spotmaze and also Think Plus. Worked on few websites and also advertisements. Thank you.
Thank you for the introduction, Trisha. It seems like you have a rich experience in this field. Let's move on to some technical questions. Can you explain how you would analyze the market to identify opportunities for sales?
Sure. It's very important to analyze the market to know about the different sales aspects of the market. And for analyzing the market, we have to stay close with our customers and know the needs of the customers, what they actually want, and what is the present trends in the market, and what are the behaviors, and do a demographic study of the market, wherein we have to find out who are our consumers are actually, find out different age group people who are actually using that product, and also who are actually consuming it. By finding out this, and the results of this will give us a clear cut knowledge about the market and the idea about this market prevailing.
That's a comprehensive approach, Trisha. Moving on to the last question, can you explain how you would deal with a competitor's aggressive marketing campaign?
That's a very interesting question. Competitors are it's very important to stay on par with the competitors, and it's very tough situation during this scenario. So what strategy I would adopt is, first I would learn all the strategies that the competitor is taking, and what are their intention is, and how are they targeting the customers. And by thoroughly studying and analyzing the competitors, I would like to make my own strategy for our own brand, which would be in a way better, and which would point out all the loopholes of the competitors, and which would try to solve them. I think that would be a great one to approach and target the competitors. Thank you.
Thank you for your insightful answers, Trisha. You have a clear understanding of handling market competition. That concludes our interview. Your responses will be reviewed and we will get back to you soon. Thank you for your time. Interviewed in successfully.
Thank you, Lucy.